how to put your Black+Decker cordless drill back in the box. Now, first things first, it doesn't fit in with the battery on, so you need to remove the battery. And you'll see the shape here. This is where your drill goes. It should fit in nicely like that. You can put a battery over here, you can see the shape. And you have room for 2 more batteries. I just have 1 extra, so I have 2 batteries. You can actually have 3 in total. Then you need to get your charger. You're going to put your charger in, and your charger slots down here, like this. Then, alright, so you can make this tidier, but you can bunch it down there and put your plug in the battery compartment. You will be able to get it down here, but if you've got a spare battery compartment, put it in there, fold it down, pop both clips, and there you go. So that's how easy it is to put the Black+Decker cordless drill back in the box. Hopefully you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.